packing box, storage bag, oscilloscope, multimeter, accessory set, watch, pen, data cable, manual, signal generator, oscilloscope, multimeter 3-in-1. Long press the red button to turn it on. Automatic waveform recognition with one click. Select channel 1 or channel 2 by pressing F1 alone. Adjust the time, base and voltage of the waveform with the arrow keys. Select F2 to move the waveform with the arrow keys. Select F3 to adjust the trigger cursor to stabilize the waveform. F4 can choose the measurement cursor. Press hold alone to maintain the screen value. Long press the save key to save the data. A variety of waveform types can be viewed. Open the function menu. Switchable channels, open or closed. Switchable AC coupling or DC coupling. Switchable probe attenuation. Adjustable trigger mode and trigger source. Switchable rising edge or falling edge. Restore settings with one click. Switch between Chinese and English. Set the automatic shutdown time and screen brightness. Switch the operating mode. Check the version number. Switch display mode. Adjust the afterglow time. Set the backlight time. Switch the measurement cursor. Numerical display selection. Signal output settings. Connect the oscilloscope multimeter as shown in the video. Open the function menu. Select signal output. A variety of waveforms can be adjusted. Oscilloscope and oscilloscope multimeter connection. Support dual channel display. Open the function menu. Select the calibration baseline function. Automatic calibration will last about 1 minute. Do not enter signals during calibration. Connection port. Probe attenuation can be adjusted. The hook cap probe is removable. Grounding clamp the lower port. Probe hook above the port. Automatically identify waveforms by auto. The probe can be calibrated with a small screwdriver. Inadequate compensation. Overcompensation. Compensation is normal. Save the data. Switch to the picture view option. Browse the saved images. You can also enter data export mode. In this mode, the data cable that will be connected to the computer. Insert the charging port to export the data. The charging interface should not exceed the charging power supply of 6V or more. Press F2 to exit. Measure the socket waveform. Hook, alligator clip connected to the corresponding watch pen. Greater than 40V requires adjustment to 10x attenuation. Switch to AC voltage mode. One-click automatic identification of socket waveform. Switch multimeter mode. DC voltage. Switch to the corresponding gear. Measure the positive and negative electrodes of the corresponding battery. AC voltage. Switch to the corresponding gear. The average household AC voltage is around 220V. Measure the frequency value simultaneously. Resistance. Switch to the corresponding gear. The pen can be measured by contacting both ends of the resistance. Buzzer. Switch to the corresponding gear. Detect on and off, and issue a beep for normal patency. Diodes. Switch to the corresponding gear. It can be measured corresponding to the positive and negative electrodes of the diode. Capacitance and short-circuit discharge is required before measurement. Switch to the corresponding gear. The pen can contact both ends of the capacitor. MVDC voltage. The operation as shown in the video can be measured. DC current. Switch to the corresponding gear. Plug the watch pen into the current port, and measure it by connecting it in series as shown in the video. AC current. Plug the watch pen into the current port, and measure it by connecting it in series as shown in the video. MA DC current. Plug the watch pen into the current port, and measure it by connecting it in series as shown in the video.